can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. But then he said, we're standing on the shoulders of giants. We haven't touched the stars for a time. And forgive ourselves, forgive ourselves, forgive ourselves. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. You can't leave me like this without knowing what it is. But then he said, we're standing on the shoulders of giants. We haven't touched Leave me like this. Hey, thank you. So don't forget to follow us. We are called Forget the Whale.
Yeah, why don't y'all take out your phones right now while you can still
Probably
see
got
them?
some phones in your pockets or
Yeah.
hands, right?
Where can they find us? Let's list off all the places.
Yeah, you can find us on Spotify.
Apple Music,
You can find us on Instagram,
Amazon Music,
YouTube,
Facebook.
where else? iHeartRadio?
Sure.
Probably, yeah. You can ask Alexa to play Forget the Whale. Try that. That's fun.
All right, if